Are you ready to give your home a fresh, stylish makeover? 2025 is bringing an exciting array of paint colors powered by PPG, offering everything from deep, moody tones to soft, calming hues. Whether you want to add a touch of elegance to your dining room or create a serene retreat in your bedroom, the right paint color can make all the difference. So, what are you waiting for? Check out these 10 PPG color picks that might inspire you to give your dream home a fresh new look. Number 1. Stained glass paint color. A deep shaded Concord blue-purple with a plum undertone. Stained glass evokes an air of mystery and opulence. Ideal for creating a refined ambiance, this color is perfect for a study, library, or an accent wall in a living room. The rich depth of this shade pairs beautifully with metallic accents, plush textiles, and moody lighting to create an inviting yet dramatic atmosphere. Consider complementing this with furniture in dark wood and accessories in gold or brass. Number 2. Magic Spell paint color. This majestic monarch purple with an indigo undertone is a bold choice that exudes elegance. Magic Spell is particularly well suited for dining rooms, where it enhances the intimate and sophisticated feel of the space. To maximize its impact, pair it with warm lighting, deep wood tones, and vibrant artwork, creating a stylish and inviting setting that encourages conversation and warmth. Soft, ambient lighting and textured fabrics will accentuate the luxurious vibe. Number 3. Sterling Silver paint color. A twilight blue with a subtle lavender undertone, sterling silver is an exquisite choice for spaces that need a calming yet refined touch. It is especially stunning on west-facing walls, where the soft evening light enhances its tranquil beauty. Use this shade in a bedroom, reading nook, or meditation space to create a serene retreat that promotes relaxation and peace. Pair with soft white linens and delicate decor for a harmonious look. Number 4. Slate green paint color. A deep billiard green with cool azure undertones. Slate green is a sophisticated choice for accent walls or cozy studies. This color pairs harmoniously with dark wood furnishings, brass fixtures, and warm neutrals, lending a rich classic appeal to any space. It is particularly effective in creating a grounded and inviting atmosphere. Add leather-bound books and vintage accessories for a timeless look. Number 5. Serene Scene paint color. A muted honeydew green with a refreshing hint of lime, Serene Scene injects a breath of fresh air into interiors. Perfect for dining rooms, this shade works beautifully alongside mid-tone grays, soft violets, and natural wood tones. The result is a balanced, harmonious space that feels both welcoming and stylish. Incorporate natural textures and soft fabrics to enhance the serene ambiance. Number 6. Warmstone paint color. A sandy red with a soft brick undertone, Warmstone brings warmth and coziness to powder rooms and entryways. This color effortlessly complements rustic and traditional interiors, adding a grounded and inviting aesthetic. For a contemporary twist, pair it with matte black fixtures and creamy off-whites. Rustic wood accents and vintage decor will complete the look. Number 7. Sandpaper paint color. This rich ginger orange with a persimmon undertone is a bold yet versatile choice for both interior and exterior walls. Sandpaper infuses any space with warmth and depth, making it ideal for living rooms, kitchens, and sunlit patios. To enhance its vibrancy, consider pairing it with neutral beiges or deep browns. Earthy textures and natural materials will highlight its warmth. Number 8. Brandy Snaps paint color. A luxurious rusty red with chocolate undertones, Brandy Snaps is a perfect selection for traditional and rustic settings. This warm, earthy tone works exceptionally well in cozy living rooms and intimate dining areas. When paired with exposed wood beams, leather furniture, and soft textiles, it creates a timeless and inviting space. Antique accents and rich fabrics will enhance its elegance. Number 9. Cosmic Paint Color. A neutral monarch purple with an indigo undertone, Cosmic is a stunning option for bedrooms, where it adds depth and sophistication. Its muted yet regal presence makes it an excellent backdrop for soft linens, metallic accents, and rich textures, resulting in a dreamy, elegant retreat. Layering different shades of purple and using plush fabrics will create a luxurious feel. Number 10. Life Lesson Paint Color. A soft, neutral pasture green with a mint undertone, Life Lesson is a perfect paint color for all the walls in an interior space. Its calming and refreshing quality makes it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and even kitchens. Pair it with crisp whites and natural wood tones for a clean, airy look, or with deeper greens and blues for a more grounded and harmonious atmosphere. "2025 is all about blending bold statement colors with timeless neutrals. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat, a dramatic focal point, or an inviting living space, PPG's latest color palette has something for every style and taste. So are you ready to transform your home? What colors are inspiring you for 2025? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to like this post if you're excited to refresh your space.